Go home happy with the 2018 Cadillac XT5. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Control the ride in comfort, safety, and sophisticated refinement in the XT5 crossover. Its smart technology, innovative design, and understated premium styling defy convention. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, keyless start, premium sound system, satellite radio, wood grain interior trim, backup camera, power passenger seat, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors, remote engine start. You deserve an automobile that will turn heads. Test drive the XT5 crossover.